Good morning, guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Rajasthan mines and minerals, a summary of it. So let's start our day with it. It says like Rajasthan mines and minerals summary. So Rajasthan has deposits of around 81 different types of major and minor minerals. Out of this, 57 minerals are being currently mined. Rajasthan is a sole producer of lead and zinc ores, selenite and wollastonite. Okay. Rajasthan is a leading producer of your silver, calcite, gypsum, ball clay, feldspar, silver, rock phosphate, statite. For that said that Rajasthan also has a prominent position in the country in the production of dimensional and decorative stones such as marbles, sandstones, granite, etc. 70% of Boon China tableware is produced in Rajasthan. When we talk about a directorate of mines and geology, so headquarter is located in Udaipur and formed with the purpose of discovery of development and administration of the mineral resources in the state. This is the objective of it. Further, it said Rajasthan State Mines and Mineral Limited, that is in short, it is known as called RSMML. Okay, so public sector mining carried on by RSMML, that you need to remember. And Rajasthan State Mines and Minerals Corporation, this is what the full form of your RSMML, Rajasthan State Mines and Mineral Corporation, engaged in mining and marketing of industrial minerals. Okay, who is engaged in this? That is RSMML. So during year 2018 and 19, the profit made by this RSMML is your 1,147 crore rupees, okay, and 217 crores respectively. Now, guys, we will discuss the one by one all the minerals in details. Okay, so first we will start with your uranium mineral, right, in Rajasthan. So in Rajasthan, uranium mines have been discovered at Sikar. In Sikar, which place in Sikar? It is Rohil, Khandela, and Ghateshwar. And Koho, it is discovered at your Darabi and in Alwar. Okay, and Umrah, another place is Umrah, and in Ajmer it is at Dungarpur and Banswara. This is the another places where uranium is discovered. Okay, if we'll talk from the lead and zinc, okay, so Rajasthan's rank is number one in lead. Largest deposit of India is Rampur Agocha, that is in Bhilwara district. Okay, so this is Rampura is the largest deposit of your lead and zinc in Rajasthan and as well as in India. So deposits in Rajasthan is Rampur Agocha, okay, Bhilwara district, Rajpura Dariba, and Sindheshwar Khurad. Okay, and in Jawar mines in Udaipur, and Sawar and Kayar in Gugra, Ajmer district, that is in, and Basantgarh and Deri in Siroi district. Okay, if we talk about the copper mineral in Rajasthan, we look at its history. So, on the basis of the excavation at Ganeshwar, located at the east of Khetri, Ganeshwar is located near Khetri in northern Rajasthan, ascribed the earliest Indian copper mining to Indus Valley civilization time. That was here around 3000 to 1500 BC. Okay, and copper metallurgy has been mentioned in your Earth Shastra and Aine Akbari also. Mean the use of copper is mentioned at that time, right? So this is the thing, and Rajasthan ranks second, okay, in the copper after your Madhya Pradesh. The highest production is in Madhya Pradesh. As it mentioned, the most important copper reserves in India is your Malanjkhand and Balghat, which is located in your Madhya Pradesh. Okay, now if you look at the major deposits of copper in Rajasthan, so we have Junjunu. Junjunu, these are the places where you can find copper. Next is Bhilwara, there where is your Devpura and Banera. And in Shiroi, next is Shiroi, where your Basantgarh. Okay, and another one is Alwar, a place called Dariba. And next one is Udaipur. Okay, that is in Udaipur. These are the places where you can find copper production in Rajasthan. Okay, and the production is done by the Hindustan Copper Limited, that is HCL, okay, under Ministry of Mines. Okay, the next is our mineral called tungsten in Rajasthan. So its ore is in your wolframite and skillite. And in the production of tungsten, Rajasthan ranks number one. Okay, it stood first, one rank in Rajasthan of the tungsten production in India. And major deposit of tungsten is in Degana, that is in Nagaur, that is best in the country. Okay, and in Siroi we have a place called Balda and Udvaria. Okay, in Ajmer Pali we have Alniawas, Sevaria, Pipalia, and Motia. These are the places which is famous for the tungsten production in Rajasthan. Okay, if we talk about manganese, okay, so its ore is called your pyrolusite, and the largest production of manganese in India is done in Karnataka. Rajasthan is a very little producer of it. The large production is in Odisha, that is called Bunai, okay, and Khinzar belt. Okay, deposit of magnesium in Rajasthan you will find in little amount in Banswara. Okay, if we talk about the mineral iron ore in Rajasthan, so ores of which found in your Dharwad and Chudappa rock systems in the peninsular India, ore quality wise ranking is your hematite is the best one, then magnetite, limonite, and siderite. The largest deposits in India are located is your Barabil, okay, Koira Valley in Odisha, and deposit of iron ore in Rajasthan, if you will see. So Jaipur, Bhilwara, Udaipur, and Sikar are famous for iron ores in Rajasthan. Okay, next is our mineral limestone in Rajasthan. So if we see, the limestone occurs in almost all the district of the state. Okay, almost all the districts. Okay, so but the major deposits are you will find in the Ajmer, Bundi, Chittorgarh, Jodhpur, and Nagaur. Okay, and these are the names of the places written in the front of it, which where it is located, right? Okay, this Pali, Siroi, and Jaisalmer. These are the few more names, right? If you talk from the mineral gold in Rajasthan, so that you will find at Banswara in a place called your Bhukai, Jagpura, and Delwara belt over there. Okay. Next we have bismuth in Rajasthan. So deposits of bismuth are found is your in Narda, Neem ka Thana, Tehsil, Sikar district. Okay, and it is used for what purpose? Bismuth is used for medical radar equipment. Okay, to make alloy required in production of atomic bomb. It is utilized in. Okay, next we have Mica in Rajasthan. So deposits in Rajasthan you will find at Biawar, Bhilwara belt, Dungarpur, Tonk belt, and Konthol belts. Okay, so these are the, and this mica is used extensively in your electrical and electronic industries due to its excellent dielectric strength and insulating properties. Okay, next we will talk about asbestos in Rajasthan. So Rajasthan account 96% of the country's total production of asbestos, whereas the Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and other states contribute remaining 4%. Okay, and main location where it is found in Rajasthan are Ajmer, Alwar, Bhilwara, Dungarpur, Siroi, Udaipur, and Pali. Okay, next mineral we have the bauxite. Bauxite is very rarely found in Rajasthan. It's very insignificant in Rajasthan. Means not sufficient. Okay, it is mostly it is still found in some part of Kota. That is your Baselio, Majola, and Serol Khera. Okay, these are the name of the places in Kota where bauxite is found. Uses, if you will look at this, the extraction of for aluminium and refractory and chemical industries, it is used in. Okay, if you look at the China clay in Rajasthan, so Rajasthan contributes 50% of share of production of the China clay in India. Deposits in Rajasthan you will find mostly at Bikaner, Barmer, Nagaur, Savai Madhepur, Sikar, and Chittor. These are the places which are famous for your China clay. If we look at the uses of it, so your China clay is mostly used in the industries like ceramic, refractory, textile, paper, rubber, and pesticides. Okay, if you look at dolomite in Rajasthan, so major deposits in Rajasthan you will find in your Ajmer, Alwar, Bhilwara, Jaipur, Jaisalmer, Jhunjhunu, and Nagaur. Graphite in Rajasthan. So graphite is also known as called your black lead. Orissa is your leading producer of graphite, around 77% production, and Rajasthan share less than 1% of graphite. So deposit of Rajasthan, that 1% which is found in Ajmer, Alwar, Banswara, and Jodhpur. Okay, uses, it is used for your crucible industry, electric furnaces, etc. Okay, if you look at the gypsum in Rajasthan, so Rajasthan produces around 90% of the total production of India. Deposits are mostly found in your Jaisalmer, Barmer, Ganganagar, Nagaur, Bikaner, and churu. Okay. Your gypsum is used for making Portland cement, plaster of Paris, paints, and fertilizers. Okay, next we have the magnesite in Rajasthan. So deposits in Rajasthan are at your Sarupa, Bhimana, Lewaka Gurin, Udaipur district. Okay, and if you look at its uses and chief source of magnesium, it is considered chief source of magnesium also. It says that it can withstand the high temperature and use in manufacture of refractory bricks used in steel making furnaces in the manufacture of some special types of cements and in glass and rayon industry. Okay, next is said about a nickel in Rajasthan. So nickel is recovered by as a byproduct and deposits in Rajasthan will found along with the copper ores in Khetri copper belt in Jhunjhunu. Okay, and the serpentine rocks at your Rakabdev Kherwara area of south of Udaipur. Okay, so these two are the places where you can find your nickels. And if you look at the uses of nickel, okay, and uses of it is in the production of stainless steel catalyst in making the alloys and coins and in the storage of the batteries. Nickel compounds are widely used in electroplating, chemicals, and ceramic industry. Ceramic is related to the tiles and the china clay kind of things, right? Uh, that is called your ceramic industries. The highest ceramic industry in India is in Morbi, Gujarat. Okay, next we have rock phosphate, which is popularly known as called your phosphorite. Okay, deposits you will find in Udaipur, Banswara, Chittorgarh, Jaisalmer, and Jaipur. Okay, next we have silica sand in Rajasthan. So deposits you will find in your Jaipur, Bundi, Tonk, Jaisalmer, Bikaner, and Jodhpur. Okay, its uses in making glasses and acidic Remy mass. If we talk about the tin in Rajasthan, so Bhilwara district, there are the places called your Paroli and Johan Sili. Okay, and tin is used. Tin oxide is used for polishing material and for marble and granite, uh, used for alloy making and chemical industry. Okay, next we have wallstonates in Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is the only wallstonate producing state in India. Deposits are in Rajasthan's Pali, Siroi, Kher Uprela, Belka Pahar near Khela in Siroi district, Ajmer, Gola, Alipura. It is used for the ceramic, enamel, glass, matches, paints, paper, plastics, plywood industries in the preparation of artware, ceiling tiles, floor tiles, insulators as an extender of short fibered asbestos or as a replacement for non-fibrous materials. Okay, guys. So in short, we have discussed about all the minerals which are found in Rajasthan. Hope this video will prove helpful for you. Wish you good luck ahead and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.